power sector today.
Today on Hello GST, we look at the impact on the beleaguered power sector.
The current form of GST proposed in the Constitution Amendment Bill does not intend to subsume electricity duty. So fundamentally, for a power generation company, his output is not going to be in GST, which means all the input which will be in GST will increase his cost of capex. If you look at capex or you look at return on power generation on the project by itself, Second, the exemptions of mega power, including the concept of deemed export. If you look at the business process documents, it appears that even the IGST on deemed exports will be first payable and then claimed as a refund. So in short, on an overall, power generation companies are a worried lot, and frankly speaking, either they should have been within GST, or at least they should have had a zero-rated GST with electricity duty still functioning outside. So to me, power generation is a serious issue.
So Hari, how will this impact consumers, both individual consumers as well as industrial consumers?
No, so looking at consumers, just to give you an example and an illustration, Menaka, is that a power generating company today has the ability to buy goods interstate at a concessional rate of CST of 2%, because they have the ability to issue the concessional forms. Tomorrow, we don't know what that rate is going to be. And IGST could be 12 if they are in the lower category, and IGST could be 18. So hence, the entire capex cost for a generation company goes up. Somewhere that's going to be passed on. So even in a B2C scenario where many power companies are in a B2C scenario, that cost will go up for the consumer. So it's really surprising that electricity duty is not being subsumed.
What about the impact of GST on the transmission and distribution sector?
So today, transmission and distribution, if you look at transmission under service tax, under negative list, they're exempt. I don't know what's going to be the treatment in GST. Will they be exempt? Will they not be exempt? And hence what happens on the other input side? Again, lack of clarity.
All right, shifting focus to the money.